Hi guys, see, Aries money and career facts coming to today we're going to discuss about this. See, Aries people are young-hearted, cheerful, and confident. However, they sometimes can act hastily. They are industrious and courageous, risk takers. So their career is either in a leadership positions or as entrepreneurs. When it comes to the money, be it personal, finance, business related, as 12 zodiac signs have different approaches of this important matter. Some of them are great savers, some others are dreamers. uh, Aries need to deal with their many how discuss. Career should be choice we make based on our aptitude and on our wishes and life perspectives. But in the world of today, care is strongly attached to the financial matters. Of course, that this is another social territory explored by astrology, and certain guidance are given in this direction for each zodiac sign. This is why some following lines will also try to point out the basic areas that are suitable for Aries people. See, leading and innovating. I mean, it is mostly likely you meet areas in a leadership position or as an entrepreneur leading and innovating. This is where these people excel and can prove how independent, energetic, and courageous they are. They have a million ideas every day. It's just too bad the lack, the persistence to go through all the troubles of actually making these sorry those ideas come true. It is people who have a passionate approach of life. They are outspoken and cheerful, but they also tend to act hastily at times and take unnecessary risks. If they manage to temper some of their impulses, they will be able to focus better and be even more creative, but in a safe way this time. Money come and go. This is the mantras of Aries. They don't worry so much about finances because they have usually set a prosperous activity beforehand. The only moment when they wish they would be wealthier in when they want to finance their unusual ideas. Aries people was financially safety, but they don't make a life crisis out of this. They save when it comes time to save, and it comes naturally to them. They would even happier if they would stop taking financial risks to promote their unusual plans, or at least see that those money are well invested by getting those plans to completion. So coming to next one, bringing home the dough. Irish people are rated amongst the zodiac sign, the secondary category of bread makers. They would be amongst the most paid signs if they would be more diplomatic and care more about their passionate at work as to climb the ladder faster and get paid better earlier in life. Careers occupies an important part of their lives, but somehow manage to be successful both in their field but activity, but also in their families. They are stubborn in this regard. If they form a family while they want to respect the responsibility and offer it the right amount of time. Aries don't like I really know the term players, no matter their position in a company, they are sure to act impatient and bossy even with their equals. They are natural born leaders and one will make them collaborate or listen to others. So it's best for them if they see that these tendencies get action in higher executive positions. The career that they are best for and areas including executive positions, but also engineering, exploring, medical, medical care, and politics and sports. This is about for today. Thank you so much. Subscribe me. Thanks so much. Good day.